today again I am making new video for you about lines and angles. And in the previous video, what was the introduction of lines and angles, there I have explained about different kind of angles, such as adjacent angles, vertically opposite angle, linear pairs of angles. So now today I will prove the why two vertical angles are equal. Okay, first we have to know about vertically opposite angles. Okay, so here I have written, if two lines intersect at a point, then two angles which have no common arm are vertically opposite angles and they are equal. See here, two lines AB and CD, they intersect at point O, then we are getting two pairs vertically opposite angles. Here if I give the name 1, 2, 3, 4, here 1 and 3 vertically opposite, 2 and 4 vertically opposite, and they are also equal. Like 1 equal to angle 1 equal to angle 3, and angle 2 equal to angle 4. So now I will prove this why two vertically opposite angles are equal. So look at the board what I am saying. So we are taking AB a line, that time 1 and 4, these two angles are linear pair, so their sum will be 180 degree. So on the line AB, angle 1 and angle 4 are linear pair. So angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. Again, on line CD, there 1 and 2 angle, also linear pair, 1 and 2 linear pair. So we can write 1 plus 2 also 180 degree. Now see in these two, here also 1 plus 4 180 degree, here 1 plus 2 equal to 180 degree. So from these two we can write angle 1 plus angle 4 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. So from this, one angle will be removed from both sides, then we will get what we are getting. We are getting angle 4 equal to angle 2. So these are vertically opposite and they are also equal. We have already proved. Similarly, if you take again, similarly we can say angle 1 equal to angle 3. Why? Because if you take AB line, that time 1 4, sum of 1 and 4, these are linear pairs, so their sum will be 180 degree. And again if you take line CD, that time 4 plus 3 180 degree. So if 4 is removed from both, then we are getting 1 equal to 3. So in the same way we can prove this. So student, I think you have understood this, why two vertically opposite angles are equal. Okay, now angles at a point. So from this figure you can see, from a common point O, 4 rays OA, OB, OC and OD, from a common source of point, 4 rays are coming out and they are making 4 kinds of angles. This one angle, another, this is second, this is third, and this is fourth angle. Okay, so 4 kinds of angle we are getting at a common point, and these all angles together are called angles at a point. And always the sum of these two angles, if you give the name here also 1, 2, 3, 4, their sum will be what? 360 degree. So why they are angles at a point? Because from a common source of point, 4 different rays are coming out by making 4 kinds of angles, and these are called angles at a point. And at a point we know, at a point the sum of all angles is 360. So here 4 rays are coming out by making 4 angles, so sum of these 4 angles will be 360. So we can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equal to 360 degree, and these angles are called angles at a point. Okay, I think you have understood what is the meaning of angles at a point. Okay, next point. Now complementary angles. When two angles will be complementary to each other. So if sum of any two angles, if sum of any two angles is 90 degree, then two angles are called complementary angle. Okay, so here see, here AOC, an angle which is a right angle. Okay, and in here two adjacent angles we are getting, which are AOB and BOC, and in here we can see their sum will be also 90 degree. Okay, so when sum of two angles are 90 degree, that time we can say these are complement to each other. So here angle, in angle AOC we are getting angle AOB plus angle BOC. So obviously angle AOB and angle BOC are complement to each other. So here angle AOB plus angle BOC equal to 90 degree. So we can say therefore AOB and BOC are complementary angles. So if you take this angle is 60 degree, then it will be 30 degree. Okay, from complementary angle, if two angles are complementary angle, then they will be obviously acute angle. But you cannot say that any two acute angles will be complement to each other, because if you take one acute angle 50 degree, other 30 degree, if you do sum, you are getting 80 degree. It is not 90 degree. So obviously these two angles acute, but they are not complementary angle. But here see 60 and 30 both acute. When they are complement, then obviously they will be acute. But any two acute angles cannot be complement to each other. Here if any angle, anyone give 45 degree. So complement will be how much? 90 degree minus 45 degree, that is 45 degree. Okay. So I think you have understood the complementary angle. So I will say about some observation of this complementary angle. Okay. Now supplementary angles. Supplementary angles, when two angles will be supplementary. If sum of any two angles is 180 degree, they will be supplement to each other. See, there AB is a line, and on this line we are getting two different angles, and their sum will be 180, because on a line the sum of the angles is 180, the sum of angles 180. So when two different angle, if it is 60 degree, then it will be 120 degree, because sum of these two angles 180 degree. So two supplementary angles, always their sum will be 180 degree, and obviously two supplementary angles we can say linear pair also, because they are on the same line and their sum is also 180 degree. Okay, so here obviously you have to remember this, if any supplement angle is acute, so obviously other will be obtuse. Two acute angle cannot be supplementary, because if you take one 70 degree, another 60 degree, these two acute angles, but if you do sum, you are getting 130, it is not equal to 180. So obviously they are not supplement to each other. But you have to remember, if anyone, if you take one is 70 degree, so obviously other will be 110 degree, so it is obtuse, because it is more than 90 and it is less than 90, so it is acute. So two angles, between two angles which are supplement to each other, if one is acute, then other will be obtuse, and if one is obtuse, the other will be acute. Two obtuse angle cannot be supplement to each other. Two acute angle also cannot be supplement to each other. But if two right angles are there, if one is 90 degree, then other will be also 90 degree, and their sum is 180 degree. So obviously two right angles will be supplementary to each other. Okay, so from this we can conclude that for any two angles, if their sum is 180 degree, then one angle will be supplement of other angle, and between these two angles, if one is acute angle, then other obviously will be obtuse angle. So two obtuse angle cannot be supplement and two acute angles cannot be supplement, but two right angles can be supplement. So student, I think you have understood about supplementary angles, complementary angles, and you will follow the video, and obviously you will comment if there is any problem to understand, and you will subscribe also. Okay, so thank you.